with the ICSE candidates while doing the topographical map is the 4-figure and the 6-figure grid reference. So in this video today we will be learning about the 4-figure grid reference system. But before we start, we need to learn about what are eastings and northings. So in the paper which I am showing to you, you can see there are the vertical lines marked in black and the horizontal lines which are in red. So what are eastings? Eastings are the vertical lines, that is, they are the longitudes. These eastings are increasing towards the east. So let's just number them. Let's say this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 and 0, 4. So as we see that they are increasing towards the east. Again, if you see, there are the red horizontal lines. These are the northings. They are the latitudes running from the west to the east, and they are increasing in order from south towards the north. So let's just number them. Let's say this is 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So these are the black lines which are the vertical lines. These are the eastings, and the horizontal lines in red, they are the northings. I have drawn them in red and black for understanding, for convenience of understanding. Okay. Now suppose there is an object P in this grid. Now in order to find the 4-figure grid for this object, first we will see the eastings between which this object P is lying. So which eastings do we find? We see that 0, 1 and 0, 2 are the eastings between which this object P is lying. So when we so what is P? So what will be the easting for P? When we find the 4-figure grid reference, we write the smaller number. So it will be 0, 1. Now we will see the northings between which this P is lying. So which northings we see? We see 31 and 32. Again we take the smaller one, which is 31. So what is the 4-figure grid for P? It is 0, 1, 3, 1. Now suppose there is an object Q over here, and we need to find the 4-figure grid for this object Q. First again we will see the eastings. So which eastings? 0, 2 and 0, 3 are the eastings between which Q is lying. Again we take which one? The smaller one. So first we will write the eastings. So it will be 0, 2. Now again we see the northing. So it's 33 and 34 between which Q is lying. Again we take which one? The smaller one. So it will be 3, 3. So what is the 4-figure grid reference for Q? It is 0, 2, 3, 3. Suppose the object R is lying over here. So what will be the 4-figure grid reference for R? Again first we see the eastings. So it is between 0, 1, 0, 2. We take the smaller one, which is 0, 1, and the northing, which is 34, 35. Again we take the smaller one, which is 3, 4. So the 4-figure grid reference for R is 0, 1, 3, 4. Now we will see how we can work with the topographical map. So there are some questions based on the 4-figure grid reference. So give the 4-figure grid reference of the following. So settlement Dantrai. Okay, let's first find where the settlement Dantrai is. If you see, it is here. This is the grid where we have the settlement Dantrai. Again, if you see, the eastings and the northings are there marked. Yes, so the eastings are here. These are the eastings and these are the northings. Okay, so if you see Dantrai, the settlement Dantrai, where is it? First we find the eastings between which they are lying. So it's between 48 and 49. So which one we'll take? We'll take the smaller one. So first we write the easting for Dantrai, which is 48. This one. And then we'll write the northing. So which northing? If you see, this is 35, this is 36. It's also marked over here in bold. So again we take the smaller one, so it will be 35. So what is the 4-figure grid reference for settlement Dantrai? It's 4835. Now the second one, let's see, it's Dhar Talao. So where is this Dhar Talao? It's here. It's here. This is the symbol for the tank, the talao. So again, first what do? We write the easting. So it's between 53 and 54. Again we write the smaller one, which is 53, 53, and then we see the northings, which is 33 and 34. Again we write the smaller one, which is 33. So what is the 4-figure grid reference for Dhar Talao? It's 5333. Now again, next question we have, open scrub to the east of Amrapura. So where is Amrapura? Amrapura is a settlement which is here, and open scrub to the east. So we find to the east we have this open scrub. So again, first what do? The eastings we'll see. So it's between 51 and 52. So we take the smaller one, which will become 51, and the northings we'll consider, it's 36 and 37. So we write the smaller one, which is 36. Next question. A dry tank north of Rampura village. If we see, Rampura village is here. This is the Rampura village, and there is a tank to the north. So where is this tank? If you see, this is the symbol of the tank. So the tank to the north of Rampura village. So again, first we see the eastings. If we go up, so we have the 52 as the easting for the tank. 52 and 53. Again we take the smaller one, so it will be 52. Then we see the northings. So this is the tank. It's 29 and 30. Between 29 and 30 this tank is lying. So we consider the smaller one, so which will be 29. So what is the 4-figure grid reference for this dry tank north of Rampura village? It's 5229, which is this. So thank you for watching.